Good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you the carpet bagger. I done Nick the Booksmith class quite some time ago, and this is the first carpet bagger I've done since that's second carpet bagger journal. This is the one signature one. It's a gorgeous, really gorgeous journal. I used one of my dear friends' DigiKits on this. Normally I'm not a real big fan of digitals, but I fell in love with this actual kit. I like ephemera kits. Everyone knows me for my ephemera, and that I do prefer ephemera. But in saying that, it was fun to work with something different when doing this journal. This will fray over a time. I just haven't bothered fraying it, and you'll get all those nice little frayy bits. As you can see, it's starting to fray. I should have frayed it a bit when I stitched it up, but I didn't. But here it goes. It is gorgeous and I love it. I did some vintage jewellery that I had, some buttons, and I used a Tim Holtz picture. A bit of textile with all that nice bling on it. Some hessian, some tea-dyed fabrics, and some laces. I love working this way. Like I said, this is delightful. Like, to me, it's delightful. It's something totally different. Again, you know, working different. Here I've created a tuck, and I've got this beautiful fabric. Oh, doily fabric. I dye all my, as you can see by this one, I dye everything because I just don't know when I'm going to be using it next. But isn't that gorgeous on the inside? So I've put a picture in there, another picture. I don't want to hide that beautiful bird. That's wallpaper, by the way. But I just love the layout and how it turned out. This is part of that DigiKit. This is Tim Holtz paper. But I just thought it was just too cute not to. Here's part of the kit. That can be cut out. I just didn't cut it out. I didn't feel the need to use that. But what I do like is how this flows through. I tried to keep it that way all the way through. Again, this is part of the DigiKit. I used 2 kits of Lisa's, some journaling cards, just a pocket. It's just gorgeous, and I just thought I had to use it. Now, I printed both sides of this journal. This is a 18, forget, it's 18 something page. But I created a tuck and whatnot. Again, I tried to keep it all within the theme. There's a tuck. Again, I used some Tim Holtz. These are part of the kit. There's just some vintage ephemera. Isn't the kit gorgeous? Like I said, I used both sides of the kit. Again, I've done a little bit of collage, lots of sewing. Just make sure that you can see that. The kit's just amazing. So that's the reason why I use this kit. It's just gorgeous. It's got that nice old vintage feel. So tuck in there. Some of the ephemera, I cut out the doily pieces. I'll list the kits in particulars. Isn't it gorgeous? just the pinks, the blues, some old book pages, some tracing paper. Here's another pocket. You see the ephemera. That's part of the kit. I just thought it was so cute. Another page. Like I said, it's just gorgeous. How can you not use this kit? A little bit more collage. Some more collage on that side. Edith Holden page. And tuck. Those that have done a Teachable with Nick appreciate the thought that goes into her Teachables. There's lots of thread, and I love it. I just love it this way. Now, I created this collage with the ephemera that comes with the kit. The tags from the kit. You see you got a tuck spot in there, and then you got the tuck spot in there. And I tried putting them to the side because I love seeing how that flows together. Part of the kit. See, there's all these lacy bits that you cut out, the fussy cutting, tickets and whatnot, all part of the kit. It's just a fun journal to work with. I just love it. Like I said, I didn't even touch it. I just loved it the way it is. Ooh, what have I done here? Oh, it's a tuck. So, fancy stitching, 2 journaling cards. So I used my own ephemera from other kits. Did a nice little pocket there. Some more ephemera. Don't ask me from who, because I don't know. That's a problem. It's just remembering who you got the things from is very hard. Little ledger paper with flip. Just gorgeous kit. Did a little bit of a zine. That's wallpaper. I actually bought that from Lisa as well. So I was really happy to get that. Just love it. Old page. Isn't that gorgeous? How can you not love that? Just a gorgeous kit. Tucked in envelope. Journaling cards. I don't know who they're from. A little bit of a collage. Just love it. Again, I utilised the doily and the journaling, the collage. So there's your tuck there. I'll pull the journaling cards out. Ooh. Oh no, what happened here? Some journaling cards. These are from the kits tags. Just gorgeous. It should be that way. So that will go in there. I'll steer it from the flowers. Just a beautiful kit, Lisa. Thank you very much. I enjoyed that kit. Has the lace pieces. They're easy to fussy cut too. An old postcard, journaling card, the lace, and I printed on some nice, the background is maps. Can't remember if I, that's an original postcard dated 1920. Tuck in here, again using part of the kit. A little bit of a collage there, part of the kit, 2 kits, sorry. Then I've put a tuck in here. God, I didn't want to cover up that beautiful vintage tattooing, I think it is. I'm not sure. But this needs to fray some more, and it will eventually fray. But I just love it. Thank you for the lovely work, Lisa. I enjoyed working with it. And that's the back of the journal. I just created a journaling card and put a beautiful picture of a girl. I love including pictures in my journals. This was a fabulous kit to work with. I'll bring the kit over and I'll show you. This is not all the pages. It's only some. And what I actually did, I stitched all the way around instead of cutting it away. Then I inked it pretty well. Now I print front to back. I haven't in this, and I print on Photomat paper. That's 100-pound Photomat paper, front to back. But I haven't done that with this because I'm going to collage with this. Isn't it a beautiful kit? This is not all the kit. I believe there's more because it's 2 kits. And I've already used one of them. The ephemera I've used. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope we all support Lisa in her venture with Digis. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks everybody. Bye for now.